to my channel. For today's video, I am doing another daily vlog with you guys. I actually vlogged yesterday too, but I felt like it didn't really have any direction or purpose. Good morning. It is 8:43. Definitely thought it was 8. I stayed up super late last night trying to edit. I ended up just waking up super early this morning, finishing it off and uploading it. So I've been up since 5 a.m. I might try and fall back asleep. It's 9. I can sleep till 10:30 and tuck back in with this little lump right here. I see your nose. I'll catch back up with you guys after my nap.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I just made myself some lunch. This bowl's really hot, so it's gonna be kind of hard to show you guys. I just made like my rice stir fry, just like my super fast go-to one. And I'm just going through my list of things I need to do now that I'm ready. I made this for lunch because I have nothing else. Like rice and frozen vegetables are pretty much what I have right now. So I need to hit up the grocery store. And I also just really want to get back into like meal prepping and cooking at home and eating really healthy. Like the last couple of weeks I've been so busy that I've been eating way more takeout than usual and traveling, and so I need to do like a big grocery haul today, like a big healthy vegan. Might hit up a cafe and get some work done. Focuses right now is definitely kind of just hermiting. Like, you know, when you go through phases where you just kind of want to lay low for a little bit, just kind of do your thing, hang out with your friends, eat healthy food, just like get your work done, just kind of do your thing, just do you, you know? And I feel like I need to get back to doing me for a little while. I'm gonna finish this, record my podcast, and then we'll head out. I'll show you guys my little podcast office. It's a DIY. I created in my walk-in closet. Like a 5-minute coffee talk podcast setup. Full tape. So welcome to the Coffee Talk podcast cave. I do my podcasts in here because it gets rid of some of that echo, like when I'm talking, and so it just kind of also makes it an easy spot for me to sit and focus. So today I have to record another one of the October podcast episodes. If you guys haven't been listening, I've been doing spooky related episodes every single week. So last week was witchy, the week before that was aliens, the week before that was ghosts. In today's video, we're talking about serial killers, which I'm super excited about. I've been like a true crime fan for so long. I remember being a kid and we always used to watch Dateline Real Life Mysteries all the time. This might inspire me to watch a scary movie tonight. I feel like I have not watched enough Halloween or like haunted things this month because I've just been a little bit, I've been busy. 20 of the best serial killers. Now we're talking. Okay, grocery haul. So I'll share with you guys what I got today to stock up on some groceries. There's still a few things that I didn't get. Most of the stuff I got, most of my produce I got. So I grabbed pickles, which is not produce, but focus on the pickles. I actually kind of want a pickle. I feel like people either really like pickles or they don't. I also picked up a cucumber, some extra firm tofu, some lettuce for salads and for lettuce wraps. I grabbed the big ones that I could make like lettuce tacos and stuff with, although I didn't grab salsa. I grabbed asparagus, bananas, sweet potatoes, since I've been making them for me and I've been making them for Bentley. Red pepper. I picked up this light rye half loaf. And then I picked up some dates and some button mushrooms. So that is my grocery haul. This is gonna get me by. Like, I got stuff for toast, oatmeal, potatoes, veggies. I should be good. today I'm vlogging with intention. I feel like I've been a little bit more stressed than I need to be lately. It's kind of stopped me from enjoying my favorite season. So while I do have to edit this video together, it is a murder mystery, so it's like a fun video to edit together and it fits our spooky theme of the day. So I'm gonna finish importing the rest of this footage, chop this bad boy up and get it up to you guys, and then we are gonna do some festive Halloween stuff. Let's boo it. That was really lame. Let's do it.
Do you want your new bone? Say please. Ah, okay. You can have it.
Bentley, come in. Coffee number 2 of the day. Lots to film, lots to do today. Lots of coffee to drink. Okay, where's Bentley? Let's go.
Psych. Black holes for my iris, styrofoam and Jolly Ranchers, man, you gotta try this. Taking Molly water body shots with Miley Cyrus. Egyptian Kush only spoke the finest in papyrus. Hieroglyphs, I'm Rosetta Stone on my Richie Rich, Macaulay Culkin shit. Home Alone, Polly wanna trip. That last round kick like a roundhouse, dealing with a loud mouth. Y'all better bow down. This is not compliant sound. The sirens losing wildin' out.
So far, it's actually pretty late in the day. It's going on 4 p.m. Did some yoga, been filming, been working, and now here I am. So Larissa's actually gonna be home in like an hour and a half. And I have like a little window of time between now and then to edit a video and also clean this apartment. Like when I say I've been falling behind, I mean I've been aggressively falling behind. My laundry is full. The apartment, it's been falling behind. I need to sweep. I just need to like wipe things down. It's been a while. So I made myself this new schedule for work. It's kind of dorky. I just felt like when I was supposed to be on work and when I was supposed to be not working, everything has been so gelled that I felt like I was short circuiting. I felt like I didn't know when I was supposed to be working and when I was supposed to be like decompressing. And so I decided to write myself out a new schedule that I've been following. I have about 15 minutes left of my lunch break between now and when I need to sit back down and edit. The last few days it's been extremely helpful, and having a little lunch break reminds me of school. I know I vlog a lot of cleaning with you guys. I know I'm always in Monica Geller mode, but I really do. I need to Monica Geller mode for the next 15 minutes because Larissa and I have to go to an event tonight and I'm not gonna have any more time tomorrow to clean. Kind of like in the big comfy couch when she does her 10-second tidy. Allow me to entertain you. The nice, relaxing, calming gist.
Curtains drawn, show is over, exit stage right, back to earth, stone cold sober. Man, I hate this life. For 45 minutes, I'm the man of the hour, but it's all gone in 60 seconds, and now I'm nowhere in sight. Feeling the cage in this race, got this fake sense that I can accomplish so much more than giving y'all a hell of a night. Soon I'm forgotten, lost in a wave of junkie artists.
Don't judge me, it's decaf, okay?
The tightest, now I gotta stay high.
Look at what the squirrel did to one of our pumpkins. We had an army of squirrels come, and Bentley was not deployed fast enough, and they destroyed one of Bentley's pumpkins. Okay, a little outside fresh air before we get back to work. What time is it? She has 10 minutes. 10 minutes to turn 10 minutes. Do you want a drink? I feel like you need a drink. You need to relax. I just filmed like a really weird video. I'm hoping that it turns out the way I kind of envisioned it in my head. It's one of those ones where there's like a 2-part to it. There's a second part that I have to film. I ran out of time tonight, so I'm not gonna film it tonight. Do you want Do you want a beer, a Caesar, or like a vodka Perrier thing? Okay. I'm gonna make it. Anyway, I'm hoping today's video worked out, but I have to film the second part of it tomorrow. I know, I'm catching back up. It feels nice. I'm trying. I told you when I said you got this. You said you got this. Honestly, I put on red lipstick the last 2 days in a row, and ever since I started wearing red lipstick, I might make it like a new. It's my like when I have this much time to get ready, I need to look good. I always go nude. I feel like red's gonna be the vibe until the new year. Then 2019, I'm just gonna be a fresh-faced bitch.
Honestly, a 2019 thing, like I want perfect skin by the end of next year.
I love that we're already discussing 2019 goals. I mean, are you in the Badass Baes Club if you don't know what your dream board already is for 2019 and 2020?
Bitch, 2021 is looking bright.
2021 is looking hella bright. I guess I'll show my outfit. Got this bodysuit from Lulu's. Pantsuit that I have to strip naked for every time I need to pee. It's like the biggest thing that sucks about bodysuits. Ready to go?
So, you have to be.
No candles are burning?
No. Oh, he's here.
Oh god. Dude, so it's kind of eerie. Looks very Halloween-y. Remember when I tripped and fell? Me too.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Kalyn Cam, I mean Larissa Cam. Do you want me to just get some B-roll for you? No. I mean, yeah.
It's all a heap of dance.
Yes. Not to bring up winter coats like way too soon, but wow. This coat just came in from Borrow. Let me show you. This is gonna be like my all-time favorite coat. I feel like I could walk Bentley and solve crime in this coat. So I just went to sit down and edit this vlog and realized that I didn't have an outro to it. I did a tarot reading last night and I wrote out, okay, so I did this like meditation first and I brought myself to my higher self. Then I pulled an animal spirit and I got the bat, which I not only feel like is super symbolic in terms of Halloween, also look at that full moon, but also in terms of the bat actually stands for like starting new, letting go, darkness to light, like watching the sunrise and just basically starting a whole new chapter of your life. I'm about to go and do just some some bat work, you know, some cave work. Enter the Co's cave, but I feel like things are about to take a very interesting turn, or at least a new turn. Me and my Jaws shirt, we're here for it. No matter what phase I'm going through, I can look back on each chapter of my life and vividly remember what exactly it was like to be there because I have it all documented. I have no idea what's about to come in the next few months. I have no idea how 2018 is gonna officially wind down or wrap itself up in a pretty little bow, but there is a version of me that'll be able to watch it back and watch it all kind of create itself, which is just really cool. Even though I'm ready to go into a hermit phase and just kind of coast for a little bit and relax a little bit and just chill a little bit, I have so many fun projects that I want to start really kind of digging my new claws into, and a new upload schedule that I want to move into, just some fresh things. I feel like fresh is the word. So that's my life as of lately. Let me know what your life has been as of lately down below, and aside from that, I will see all of you guys in tomorrow's video or the next video. It's coming soon. They're all just getting thrown out. I'll just see you there. Bye guys.